long ago lived a group of people. It included Jesus. He rode a donkey to Jerusalem. There, when he rode through the streets, it was marvelous. It was marvelous because people were waving palm leaves at him and cheering mad. When he went into the palace, he saw his 3 enemies. They were jealous of him. After that, Jesus and his main friends had a special tea. When he was having that, when the tea was happening, he was sad because he knew the people were plotting on him. That night he prayed in the Garden of Nahum. He said, "Please, God was Jesus' father." He just prayed and said, "Please, God, I need you to come and help me." Next morning, the enemies came and picked him up into a little bag and put him on a cross. He died, and that's how they killed him. They carried him into a little stone block, and there he was stuck. One of his main friends came to the tube. They saw a really big hole in it. She went, "What's happened here?" She looked inside. Nothing was there. He was alive. The end.